Okay. Oh, so this we're talking about the structural view. Yeah, the structural view of the development of the cone before we move into the main drawing. Okay, so it's better you watch this before going there. Yeah, so you can understand. So now, if you have a cone, this is a cone, not a triangle. The cone has been bisected. Abi, yeah. So the cone, there's a cut across the cone. So if you look at it, yeah, there's a cut across this cone. So it's a cone, yeah, a circular triangle like identical form. So this cut that was done across this side, it is not going to have a sharp edge across this region. Are you seeing my mouse? Yes, it's not going to have a sharp edge across this region. Can you see the blue mouse here, around that area? So it's not going to have a sharp cut around the region when you are showing the development. Showing the development is just like showing the way it will look when you, like, say, unzip. Yeah, when you unzip or you unwrap the triangle. So this is how the view looks for you. Okay, so when I did this one, you can look at the shape. There is no sharp region around here, so your development diagram will have that kind of curvy form. When you open this, you bisect it, then you open it, you have that kind of curvy look at that edge. That is why you have it. So looking from the top view, you can see something like this. Okay, you can see something like this. This is a triangle divided into how many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is back to 12. So that's where we got those values from, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So yeah, when you do the development, it's going to be the same angle across this region that you use to express your development. Yes, looking from the top view, the same angle you have in this region you use to express your development, just like unwrapping this, but not stretching them, just unwrapping them according to that same angle. So that's all for development. Okay, so you just like they draw, you cut through and you unwrap. Okay, so let me hide this. Okay, you can see the cuts across. You can see the cuts across it. It's a cone, so it's not going to have that kind of way you think. Okay, so you can move to the drawing if you've watched this. Thank you very much for watching.